नमस्कार। मेरा नाम है सरवत और आप देख रहे हैं सेहत। अरे गलत हो गया, फिर से करते हैं। वेरी गुड डे टू पीपल। माय नेम इज़ मोहित एंड वेलकम टू a session in which I talk about weakness, anemia, types of anemia, and a lot more. Are you one of those characters? Are you one of those guys who've been feeling quite weak of late, quite sleepy of late, quite drowsy of late? Maybe your hands and feet go cold, tingly, and you're not able to explain your weakness even though you may be sleeping for a good 7-8 hours. Then the chances are that you might be suffering from anemia. Now, anemia may be caused by two major reasons. One of the reasons could be, actually the most common one would be iron deficiency anemia, and that is what we are going to focus on today. The other kind of anemia is the B12 folic acid anemia. That's also going to lead to a compromised capacity of the blood to carry oxygen. That's what exactly anemia is. A compromised ability of the blood to carry oxygen, which will usually make you dizzy or even give you a near fainting experience. But the most common of them all is the IDA, or the iron deficiency anemia, which is mostly seen in females, especially menstruating females. In fact, 1 in every 20 menstruating female suffers severely from this problem. And iron deficiency is as common as 25% of the whole world population, and that's a lot. Okay, so here are two products that I've kept here on the table. This is Baidyanath's Lohasav. Now this is supposed to be the world's most ancient, the oldest ever iron tonic, and once you pour 4 to 6 spoons, that is the dosage, mixed with equal amounts of water, it'll taste just like wine. In fact, you'll start looking forward to it. I've had it this morning already. You may be picking up that as I'm speaking to you, I'm getting a little breathless. Now, why was this necessary? First of all, I'm a vegan. As a vegan, I have to take at least one of these, or about 5 of these, vitamin B12, B6, B9, at least one of them every week, or you should say every month I should take at least 5. That's the maintenance dose as a vegan. As a vegan, you have to take some external source of B12 because you're not consuming dairy. Now this is Lohasav, around 6 teaspoons mixed with equal amount of water. And whenever I'm going to take a swig, I'm just going to love it. Okay, because it's going to taste just like wine. Alright guys, so once you get your blood test done and you find that your PCV, or the hematocrit, the hemoglobin and the RBC, are not within the normal range, you probably have anemia. It could either be iron deficiency anemia, most probably it will be iron deficiency anemia, where your hands and feet are always cold, and you have symptoms quite similar to vitamin B12 folate deficiency. Okay, the area around your eyes may be black, you may be losing a lot of hair, and you may be always weak and exhausted, feeling sleepy almost all the time, just like it happens in hypothyroidism. Okay, there are other reasons for weakness too. It could be vitamin D deficiency too, it could be hypothyroidism, it could be some start of liver or kidney disease too. Okay, so these are hematinics, whether it's Lohasav. Lohasav is mainly going to tackle the iron deficiency anemia. I don't think so it can provide vitamin B12 or methylcobalamin. Okay, see, once you get the blood test, Either discuss it with your doctor if you have iron deficiency anemia, or the B12 folate anemia. If you want to decide, if you want me to decide, show me the blood test and I'll decide it for you. Okay, sometimes the iron deficiency anemia is further evaluated by serum studies, the serum iron studies, or the iron profile. And the reason why I actually bought it is because if you would have noticed that as I am speaking to you, I'm feeling a little breathless. So as I was, doing a little bit of physical work, my heart was going thump, 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 exactly as fast, and it was taking a good time to settle down. So I was sleeping as much as I always sleep, around 6.5 hours. Okay, so why was this happening? So either it could be B12 folate deficiency that can be fixed by something like this. Again, a doctor's intervention, or doctor's intelligence, a doctor's under doctor's supervision is a must. Okay, and even for this, I would say you suggest an Ayurveda Acharya for taking Lohasa, which is the world's most ancient iron tonic. In either case, guys, anemia could be the basis. I was finding it a little difficult climbing stairs. Okay, after 3 floors, I was getting a little breathless. Because the kind of nature of work, I could figure it out very easily, and I decided to experiment with Lohasa simply because I thought, let me see if it actually fixes the thumping of the heart that is going crazy. I was getting very sweaty, very tired very easily, and yep. So if you have all these symptoms, unnecessarily fatigued, and your heart keeps racing, palpitations, tachycardia, you might also need it. So guys, this was a small video where I talked about B12 folic acid or folate and Lohasa, the world's most ancient iron tonic. If you need to know more, ask me questions. Guys, you have a very good day. Bye bye. Peace.